Want crispy, thin spring roll sheets at home? Watch this secret trick. All-purpose flour 1 cup. Corn flour 1/4 cup. Salt ½ teaspoon. Oil 1½ tablespoons. Water 1 3/4 cups. First, prepare a smooth batter for spring roll sheets. ½ cup water. ¼ cup water. Make sure the batter is completely lump-free and well rested before cooking. Vinegar 1 teaspoon. This makes the sheet elastic and extra crispy after frying. Important point: the batter consistency should be like milk, not thick and not watery. Rest 10 minutes. Step 2. Pan temperature control. Now control the pan temperature carefully. Use a heavy non-stick or iron pan on medium-low heat. Lightly grease the pan and wipe with tissue before pouring the batter. Important point: test the heat by placing your hand above the pan for 2 seconds. It should feel warm, not burning. Step 3. Sheet swirl technique. Pour 1 ladle of batter onto the pan. Immediately swirl the pan to spread the batter into a very thin sheet. The sheet should be paper thin, not thick. Important point: cook one side. Step 4. Sheet ready sign. When the surface becomes dry and the edges start lifting from the pan, the sheet is ready. Do not flip the sheet and do not let it turn brown. After making each sheet, place it on a cloth or tray. Important points: this step ensures the sheets do not dry out and are perfect for rolling later. Repeat the same swirl technique to prepare thin sheets. Put a thin plastic sheet or butter paper between each sheet to prevent sticking. Cover the stack and keep it aside. This keeps the sheets soft and flexible. Step 5. 2 tablespoons stuffing. Place the filling in the center and roll tightly like Chinese stall-style spring rolls. Leave about 1 inch space on both sides. Fold the bottom corner over the filling and roll tightly. Do not skip the frying step. This is where the spring rolls become perfectly crispy. Next, fold the left and right sides inward to form an envelope shape. Stay till the frying step to see how these rolls turn golden and crispy. Brush the top corner with sealing paste, a thick mixture of flour and water, and roll tightly to seal. Seal the edges properly so the roll does not open while frying. Important point: make sure not to overfill. All rolls should be tight, the filling cold, and sheets dry for perfect results. Rolls ready